Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best inline hockey skates in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Tour Code 9. The most featured inline skates are available currently in the market. You will find many high-quality features from top to bottom of the boot. While designing the boot, the basic idea was to make it high-performing, lightweight without sacrificing durability, and giving it an excellent ventilation system. The boot comes with a traditional lacing system. The foam padding inside keeps the foot safe from lace biting. Pros: high-performance wheels, which will support every type of stunt you like to make. High-quality ventilation system which will keep your feet dry. The paddings cover the ankle and give superior protection. Cons: side paddings might not be that supportive. At number 2. Roller Guard Ice Skate Guards. This is Mission's best featured skate. FZ1 took advantage of every previously trusted and appreciated feature. The result is a very comfortable, responsive, and high-performing skate. The cool-looking skate got high-low switch bearings which will give you better speed, grip, agility, and stop. The boot material is one of the lightest, comfortable, and extremely heat-moldable materials right now on the market. Pros: the ventilation process that works on both sides. Keeps the foot cool throughout the game. The liner is very soft that you can even go barefoot. Cons: hard to find the difference from the previous model. At number 3. Tronexy 1.0. A pretty solid model for light skaters, like once a month or less. Your feet will remain in a comfy, flexy position. Irregular skaters feel a bit uncomfortable every time they wear them. But this one provides overall comfort by adding soft paddings all around. You won't feel the discomfort even wearing them after months. Pros: highly comfortable. Good ventilation. 2 size will set with high and low setup. Cons: not for heavy-duty players. At number 4, Tronix. A good old classic model with great locks and comfort. It provides good acceleration which will satisfy your speed thirst. The stiffness back in the ankle part is superb. Reacts really well to the baking process. Once baked, it takes literally no time to break. Bauer is providing you with a model with a lot of features without breaking your bank. It is great for the armature. Pros: the liner gives you a good lock and keeps your foot dry. The lock-fit footbed prevents your foot from slipping inside the boot, which saves the energy. Comfortable. Cons: possibility of having lace bites. At number 5, Blade Runner. Mission's FZ series is coming up with advanced technologies each year, and perhaps this is the best model they came out with. Plenty of top-end features made this pair stand out. Introducing so many features at this price point is pretty impressive. Again, they used all the previous features that stood out well earlier. So it results from all the pleasant features FZ had earlier. Pros: best grip and stopping power at this price point. 2-sized wheels with more agility and better glide. Stiffer sole. Cons: medium volume skate won't fit the bigger foot. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.